Hey there and welcome back to another video. Today's video will be about AWS. We will be starting a new series. I will be making videos on how to use AWS and its services. Today this is the first video of the series. Today we will learn about how to make an AWS account. Simply go on Google, type AWS console login, press enter. Click on this link. Click on create a new AWS account. Enter your email address here. Here you have to give an account name. You can name it anything and then press on verify email address. We will get a verification code on the email address that we put in Gmail. So this is our verification code. Copy this and paste it here and click on verify. The email address has been verified. Now we have to put a root user password. This is a very important password and then click on continue. You can choose whatever you want to choose here, but I will choose for personal use. Then write your full name. Give your mobile number. Choose the country. Once you have filled in all the information, check here and continue. On this page, you will have to fill the details of a debit card or the credit card that you use. You can choose your contact address as your billing address, or you can enter a new address. I will choose my contact address as my billing address. Then it will ask, do you have a PAN card? So if you have a PAN card, click on yes. If you don't have a PAN card, click on no. Do it, verify and continue. So what this will do is, it will send a payment on your debit card, which you just have to accept. So we are redirected here, card holder authentication. Now we have received an OTP for the card. Please enter the OTP, press and confirm. Once the payment has been made, it will confirm your identity. So you can choose text message or voice call. I will go for text message. Choose the country code. Input your mobile number. Quite a tough captcha, I must say. XZMF4Z. Send SMS. Now we just have to put in the code that we receive. This is my code. Continue. Select personal use, individual, continue. So now here we will have to choose the basic support. This is the free version. If you have money, you can go for developer support or business support. For now I will go with basic support and then I will just complete sign up. And here we have our AWS account. Click on go to AWS Management Console. From here, sign into the console. Put in your email ID, press next and the password and press enter. This is the dashboard of your AWS account. I hope you like this video. I will make more videos on the features and how to use AWS and its services offered and everything. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye bye.